To begin, gather your drawing materials, such as paper, a pencil, an eraser, and colored markers or pencils for decorating. Learning how to draw a gingerbread man can be a delightful and fun activity, especially during the festive season. Start by sketching a basic outline of the gingerbread man's body using simple shapes like circles and ovals. Begin with the head, followed by the torso and limbs. Remember, the gingerbread man has a round head, a slightly rectangular torso, and stubby arms and legs. Next, add details to bring your gingerbread man to life. Draw small circles for eyes, a smiling mouth, and buttons down the front of the body. Incorporate icing-like lines or squiggles around the arms, legs, and edges of the gingerbread man to represent icing decoration. Once your outline is complete, refine your lines and erase any unnecessary pencil marks. Then, it's time to add color. Use warm brown tones for the body and various colors for the icing decorations. Red, green, and white are popular choices for icing colors. Feel free to get creative with your gingerbread man's design. You can add candy cane stripes, colorful gumdrop buttons, or even a bow tie to make your drawing unique. Practice makes perfect, so don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be drawing charming gingerbread men effortlessly. Enjoy the process, and have fun adding your personal touch to your festive drawings. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring. Wish you Merry Christmas. Enjoy your time with your all friends and family. By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.